So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talking about my laptop. I mean the Acer Nitro 5 2020 edition, which is an i5 10th generation and 1650 Ti graphic card. So let's get started. So recently in my channel I have uploaded an unboxing video of this laptop, and even the screen reading test is also I have done on this laptop, and I have tested some of the games like Valorant, PUBG PC Lite and the Apex Legends. So in the Valorant gaming review, so you can see I have playing in a high setting, so I'm getting in just 100 to 90. Sometimes the FPS is dropping to around 80, 90, 100, and you look at the temperature is always above the 92 degree, and even the game is not feeling as smooth. So I have contacted Amazon and I have just replaced my new laptop. So I have returned my old laptop and I'm getting a new laptop replacement because the old laptop is having maybe a thermal issue. So I have contacted Amazon and I have speak with an Amazon customer care, and they told me to I'm getting a replacement of this laptop. So after getting a replacement of the new laptop, I'll be testing in same screen reading test, and I will be doing a gaming review of the same laptop also. So even if you guys have bought the Acer Nitro 5 and the screen bleeding issue is also there, and the temperature is going every time, it goes to every time 92 degree, 93 degree means, so just contact an Amazon customer care and ask for the replacement. So they will provide a replacement for you. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, means give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, means hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next one.